This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Today we are talking with Jimmy from O'Brien Service Company, Wilmington's local heating and air specialist since 1981. And Jimmy, in the past we've talked about how you service residential, but today let's talk a little bit about commercial.
Sure. Well, you know, commercial property, like residential property, heating and air equipment is an investment. Whether you're a owner-operated property or renting, it's essential that your heating and air system is maintained. You want your employees to be comfortable, and you also want your customers and your clients to be comfortable as well.
What are some of the benefits of having a commercial Energy Savings Club membership?
Well, having your system under a routine maintenance actually saves you money. You want your system to be operating under the highest efficiency. In some cases, 10, 15 or more in cost energy savings. Also fewer breakdowns compared to equipment that doesn't have any kind of service. Our plan also gives you discounts on diagnostic service, repairs, and no overtime rates.
How does a business owner become a member?
Well, the commercial plan is a little bit different than the residential plan. Once the call is made and it's scheduled, the technician will come out to the business, meet with the owner, discuss their needs. We make recommendations, and then the plan is written to their needs. We also offer filter service.
And is there a cost for the walkthrough?
No, the walkthrough is completely complimentary.
Anything else?
Well, as a business owner, you have so much to care for. But what if you could connect with a dependable company like O'Brien Service Company to take care of your HVAC needs?
So go online or call today.
For more details, go to HomePros on WECT.com.